Ain't that true? That's what's up. Nice. I got some new things, bro. I can't take it.
Sexy now your little mini skirt it. Turn it on and show them how you twerk it. Girl, you know fi work it. Sexy now your little mini skirt it. Turn it on and show them how you twerk it. Girl, you know fi work it. Sexy now your little mini skirt it. Turn it on and show them how you twerk it. Girl, you know fi work it. Sexy now your little mini skirt it.
Yeah.
You want me, I got inserted.
Far back. Just went right. Whatever, take ball, look out, guys. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Two right side, bro, two right side. Alright, we're gonna use that post again. I'll make sure run up in there. One over here, one straight down the tape. Watch yourself, watch yourself. Straight down the tape, he's on that left side of the door. The bunker, closer to the road. Watch yourself far left, watch yourself far left. Rolling ball, going. One just went left. One far, tape line. One far on that tape line. He's shooting, that's the one shooting. Bro, pull the fire. Draw that fire. I'm gonna make it out of here. I'm clean, bro, I'm clean. Let's back this up. Hell yeah, let's move. What do you guys got over here? Nice. Put on the grinder in the middle, that big one. Anybody camping out in there? Yo guys, let's fall back and take a straight to the teeth. Right over there in that corner over there. God, hopefully he goes out far left over here. Yo, oh, you need to check, bro. He's in between this big bunker right here and this one. The little teeny one. The rest is he's the rest of him right now. Yo. Yep, one in front of us over here. Woo! That's him, watch out. Yeah. You got that shot, bro? Watch him. Nice shot, bro, nice.
There's a guy right up here.
Yep, right in front of us. Right now I'm going up the sound. Wherever you hear it popping. This guy right over here, so they're going too high. Sonny, you hear that pop? Alright, we just landed, bro. If you could hear that tree that I was hitting, that was it. There's a green tarp. He's at that green tarp. He's real low. We know that guy's on the right. Green tarp. Right where those shots are landing. Those are his shots. There's a tall fence, one at that tall fence. Woo! Got him. Got yellow. Yo, oh, check him! Green tarp needs to check, bro. All right, green tarp sticking out on the right again. One at that tall fence. Guy at that, yep, I got him already, nice. He's gone. All right, I'm looking left. I'm ready for you, bro. Yep. Nice, bro, nice. Watch your right. Sarah, watch your right, bro. Oh, yeah, straight down the line. I'm gonna bump up. Who's that right there? Did you hear that? Watch your right, Sonny, watch your right. One on the road of horseshoe, bro. One pop right over here. One pop right. Pretty close. No, that was different. Yeah, somebody was putting me up. You already blew the thing and everything. You just like, pop, 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 and then you put it off again. I thought it was too much. Yeah, right? No, right there is one of the people shot me in the leg. I thought I'd been slide right there. Oh yeah, no. Definitely not